Hi guys, we're back with another video, and in this video we're specifically going to talk about an auto content generator for your Instagram, for your Facebook, and for LinkedIn. So one of the most agonizing things to do after a long day is to think about what you're going to post, make a caption for it, keep prompting ChatGPT for it, and then waiting for the right responses. I really wanted to build something that would help me automate that task so that I could wake up in the morning and my Google Sheet would already be filled with the raw data of the content that I can post on any of my social media platforms. So this automation helps us do that. You can review that content, you can iterate that content, and then you can make some changes and upload it directly. You could obviously, this is just like a standard basis of what this automation could look like. You could make a lot of changes and additions depending on your use case. This is the foundation that I'm giving out, and depending on your use case you can expand this. So just to give you a rough overview of what this would do is I would add in content ideas into a Google Sheet and then run once. Then depending on that idea, I have three routes. One route is for Instagram, the other one is for Facebook, and then for LinkedIn. The reason why we have three different routes is because every platform has its own specific requirements for posting content, for SEO, for the viral hashtags that are going on. So ChatGPT basically makes that content specifically for those platforms. That is why we have three different routes over here. So the idea goes into the content generation module of ChatGPT, where ChatGPT comes up with the text or the caption. Then we have the image generation through DALL-E 3. Then we collect the link of that image and add that onto a Google Sheet. So when I wake up in the morning, the same way I have three basic text and images that I can upload over to my social media channels. So for that, I will obviously have to first create a sheet with my idea. Then the output of the text that ChatGPT will give us will come into this column, the image will come here, and then as for the platform, we'll just choose which platform we want to post on, and depending on what platform we choose over here, this automation is going to take that specific route, and then the status is just going to be done. This is for my own personal satisfaction that it has generated that. Another reason why I added this was you could also add another column here, or just change this column into approval status, and similarly have a drop down menu that could say approved or not approved. And as soon as you have the idea and the automation ran, came up with the text, the image, you read that text, you check that image, you make a few changes if you want to, and then in the drop down status, approval status menu column, you basically just change the status to approved. And as soon as you do that, you could add different modules here. Just over here you could add the link, Instagram module, the Facebook module, and the the LinkedIn module. And once you keep hitting approve, that particular route goes forward and automatically posts on your social media as well. So you wouldn't have to open up different tabs and different apps and keep posting depending on that, and format the entire text and the image as well. So I mean, this saves you a lot of time, a lot of hassle, and takes most of the part of your mind. And another thing that I would do is that apart from posting content, coming up with content ideas is also like a big problem. So I would add another Google Sheet module before this one, where I would have maybe 100 or 150 ideas of what I'm going to post for the next few days. And what I could do is I could prompt this particular automation to run once every day, pull one idea out of those 100 from the Google Sheet, and then directly route that into ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT can come up with the image and come up with text content as well, and then upload it directly over to your social media channels. So this is a very, very sleek automation. Let's just give it a try. This is obviously a very basic demo version with demo content. Might not give out the best results, but depending on how you prompt it, depending on the examples that you give ChatGPT, depending on how much context you're giving it, it could improve. The result could drastically be improved. So let's just say I run a blog, a fitness blog, and I want to post something regarding why exercising is important every day. So, and we want to post on Instagram. It's probably the worst English I've ever read. Anyways, and let's run once. So it automatically knew that we have to go through the Instagram route, and the content has been generated. Commit to be fit. Exercising isn't just about the body goals, it's about healthier, happier you. Let's work for wellness every day. We have some emojis, and then we have some hashtags as well. Then we have our image here. Then we have the link of the image collected with the HTTP module, and that is being fed over to our sheet. Yeah, so I moved this around, so I accidentally mapped the status on F. It should have been mapped on E. Anyway, so this is our text, this is our image, and this is probably pretty much it. Now I just want to talk about a few more things. You can see there's a lot of filters going on. Anytime the status, the drop down menu changes to another app, the filter would cause the route to change, and then ChatGPT would come up with specific content related to that particular app. Now let's just talk about prompts a little bit. This is our creation module. Okay, this is our watch new rows module, where every time we update a new row over here, this module will be able to watch it. And then we have the three-way router. Then we have our create a chat completion, where we are giving it a prompt where we are asking it to create a social media caption for platform. We are specifying which platform we want to post on, depending on the column D, where we choose what platform we have to post on. And then I'm giving you the idea based on which I want you to create engaging text. With this idea, create a caption containing maximum 50 words. Depending on your use case, you can add examples onto this prompt. You can add much more context. You can, prompt it to a much more detail to come up with better content, and then also map the idea, which is going to be in column A over here, so that ChatGPT knows that we're posting on this platform. This is the idea. These are the rules that I have to follow, and then it comes up with a great caption. You can also specify the tokens. Then for image generation, we have DALL-E 3, and based on the result of the content generated with the first module, we use that result to come up with a vibrant image. Again, you could go as detailed as possible with this, and specifying the platform, you will come up with that. And then the HTTP module basically just collects the URL data over here that is generated over here, and then feeds that over to Google Sheet. Alright, so if you want the blueprint of this make.com automation for yourself, and you want to create content automatically using ChatGPT, there's a link that I've added below. You can just click on that link and you will be able to get this automation. So I hope you guys have fun with this automation, play around with it, add as much detail as possible, and go crazy. I mean, I'm definitely going to be expanding this for myself as well, and hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.